Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chini. Today I am going to give you 20 easy tips to learn Chinese. Whether you are a beginner or willing to learn Chinese, it is very useful for you. If you follow the tips one by one, definitely you will learn the Chinese very fast. So let's start. Start with Pinyins. Before diving into the characters, you have to learn the tones, the romanization of Chinese sounds. It is essential for your pronunciation. As you know, Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language, so mastering the four tones and the neutral tone is crucial. Practice speaking. Regular speaking practice helps you with tone accuracy and fluency. Try to communicate with your native friends, native speakers, or your language partners. Watch Chinese media. Watching Chinese movies, listening songs, watching Chinese TV shows or YouTube channels like Chini helps you to improve your language learning skills and expose you to the real life of language use. Flashcards for characters. You have to use flashcards, either it's physical or digital, to memorize Chinese characters. Characters radicals. You have to understand the concept of character radicals. It can make character recognition easier. Practice writing. Don't skip writing practice. It is reinforced for character memorization and helps you to remember strokes order. Vocabulary building. Consistently expand your vocabulary. Learn words and phrases relevant to your interest and daily life. Contextual learning. Learn words and phrases in case of context, not just an isolated terms. Grammar study. Dedicate time to learn Chinese grammar rules and understand the sentence structure is crucial. Keep a journal. Write a daily or a weekly journal in Chinese. This helps you with writing, grammar, and vocabulary. Cultural awareness. Learn about Chinese customs, cultures, and ethics. It adds the depth of your language learning skills. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key in language learning. Dedicate a set amount of time in each day or a week. Join language communities, online forums, or language exchange groups and provide you support and motivation to learn Chinese. Set goals. Define clear language learning goal, whether it's passing an exam or holding a conversation. To have a goal keep you motivated. Be patient. Chinese can be challenging, especially at the beginning. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Seeking of feedbacks. Ask native speakers or proficient learners for feedback on your language writing and speaking. Review regularly. Periodically review what you have learned to reinforce your knowledge. Immerse yourself. If it is possible, immerse yourself in a Chinese speaking environment, travel or find a native speakers to help you improve your language. Use language apps. You have to use some language apps like Duolingo, Memorize, Hello Chinese for interactive learning. I hope these tips helps you to improve your Chinese. If you follow the tips one by one and stay consistent, definitely you will learn the Chinese very fast. And one thing, nothing is impossible. 再见!